Welcome to our beginner's stock market tutorial. If you've ever been curious about how the stock market works or wanted to dip your toes into investing, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to cover all the basics you need to know to get started in the stock market. Now, you might be wondering why the stock market is such an important and interesting topic. Let's start with the basics. The stock market is a place where companies go to raise capital by selling shares of their ownership. It's also a platform where individuals like you and me can invest in these companies and potentially earn a profit. Understanding how the stock market works can open up a world of opportunities for you to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. In this tutorial, we'll start by explaining what stocks are and how they are traded. We'll dive into the different types of stocks and the factors that can influence their prices. We'll also discuss the concept of risk and return, as well as the importance of diversification in your investment portfolio. By the end of this video, you can expect to have a solid understanding of the stock market and be equipped with the knowledge to start investing confidently. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and learn the ins and outs of the stock market, let's dive right in. In the early 17th century, a group of merchants in Amsterdam came up with a revolutionary idea. They wanted to create a place where they could buy and sell shares of the various trading companies that were emerging at the time. This marked the birth of the world's first stock market, known as the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. Since then, stock markets have evolved and expanded, becoming a crucial part of the global economy. Today, the stock market is a complex and dynamic system that allows individuals and institutions to invest in companies and potentially earn a return on their investment. However, for beginners, navigating the stock market can be a daunting task. There are numerous challenges and opportunities associated with investing in stocks. One of the common obstacles that beginners face is a lack of knowledge and understanding of how the stock market works. Many people are intimidated by the jargon and technicalities involved in investing. Additionally, the fear of losing money can also deter individuals from taking the plunge into the stock market. However, despite these challenges, there are also significant opportunities for beginners in the stock market. Investing in stocks can provide a way to grow your wealth and achieve financial goals. It allows you to become a part owner of successful companies and benefit from their growth and profitability. In this tutorial, we will address these challenges and opportunities head-on. We will break down the complexities of the stock market into simple and understandable terms. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation of knowledge to confidently start your journey in the stock market. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of the stock market together. Here are 8 basic concepts to get you started on the road to an understanding of the stock market. First, understanding. What is the stock market? The stock market is a platform where companies sell shares of their ownership to raise capital, and individuals can invest in these shares to potentially earn a profit. Second, the types of stocks. There are 2 main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks give shareholders voting rights and potential dividends, while preferred stocks offer fixed dividends but no voting rights. Third, factors. Affecting stock prices. Stock prices are influenced by various factors, including company performance, economic conditions, industry trends, and investor sentiment. It's important to analyze these factors before making investment decisions. Fourth, risk and return. Investing in stocks involves risks such as market volatility and company-specific risks. However, with higher risk comes the potential for higher returns. Diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate risks. Fifth, fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, management, competitive position, and industry trends to determine its intrinsic value. This analysis helps investors make informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. Sixth, technical analysis. Technical analysis focuses on studying historical price patterns and market trends to predict future stock price movements. It involves using charts, indicators, and other tools to identify buying and selling opportunities. Seventh, long-term investing. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. It's important to have a well-defined investment strategy, set realistic goals, and be patient. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 8th, resources for beginners. There are numerous resources available for beginners, including online courses, books, and financial advisors. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your knowledge and make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risks, and it's important to do thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. When it comes to a beginner's stock market tutorial, there are various aspects and perspectives to explore. One important aspect is understanding the role of emotions in investing. While it's crucial to make informed decisions based on research and analysis, emotions can often cloud judgment. Fear and greed are two common emotions that can lead to impulsive buying or selling decisions. How can we manage our emotions and make rational investment choices? Another perspective to consider is the impact of current events on the stock market. Recent events such as the COVID-19 pandemic or geopolitical tensions have shown how quickly markets can react to unexpected circumstances. The concept of diversification. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different sectors or asset classes can help mitigate risk. The beginner to find the right balance between risk and return. Is it better to focus on high-growth stocks or opt for more stable, dividend-paying stocks? Exploring the role of technology in the stock market. With the rise of online trading platforms and robo-advisors, investing has become more accessible to beginners. However, it's important to understand the potential risks and limitations of relying solely on technology for investment decisions. It's essential to encourage critical thinking and open discussion among viewers. What are your thoughts on these different aspects? Have you had any personal experiences or insights to share? Let's continue the conversation in the comments section below. In conclusion, understanding the stock market is essential for beginners who want to embark on their investment journey. We have covered various aspects of the stock market, including its basics, types of stocks, factors influencing stock prices, risk and return, and the importance of diversification. By gaining knowledge about these topics, you can make informed investment decisions and potentially grow your wealth. Remember, investing in the stock market is a long-term game. It requires patience, research, and a well-defined investment strategy. Emotions can often cloud judgment, so it's important to stay rational and avoid impulsive decisions. We have also discussed the role of technology in the stock market and how it has made investing more accessible to beginners. Online trading platforms and robo-advisors have opened up new opportunities for individuals to invest in stocks. Subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos on this world of online brokers. Remember, knowledge is power. By equipping yourself with the right information and staying disciplined, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and work towards achieving your financial goals. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Explore related content on our channel or website to deepen your understanding of the stock market. Happy investing!